Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to set up your Linux environment inside Unreal Engine. This will allow you to successfully package your projects for Linux. Recently, I ran into a frustrating problem where I simply could not package the Linux build of my Unreal, so in this tutorial, I will walk you through the exact steps to solve this issue. We will start by downloading the necessary Linux platform support directly from the Epic Games launcher. After installing that, we will set up the required environment variables, and then we will run a test to ensure that the project packages correctly for Linux. First, let us take a quick look at the actual error. I have a standard Unreal Engine project opened up right here. If I go to the Platforms menu, select Linux, and attempt to package the project, I get an error stating that the binaries for this target platform are not currently installed. To solve this problem, you first need to close the editor and open up the Epic Games launcher. Navigate to the Unreal Engine section on the left, and then click on the Library tab. Find your installed engine version, click the Options drop-down, and check the box to enable Linux target support. Click Apply to confirm the changes. Once you click Apply, the launcher will automatically begin downloading the necessary files. Because the download can take some time, I have already completed this step for my current engine version. As you can see here, the platform support is already fully installed on my system. The next crucial step is to visit the official Epic Games documentation website. You will need to locate the specific cross-compilation toolchain that matches your exact version of Unreal Engine. I have already found and downloaded the correct cross-compilation tool for my setup. Make sure you match the toolchain version strictly with the engine version you are currently running. The core concept here is that I am using a Windows operating system for development. But I need to compile the final build for Linux. That is why downloading this specific cross-compilation toolchain is absolutely required. Once the installer finishes downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder, double-click the executable file, and start the installation process. The installation is very straightforward. Just accept the prompts and let it install into the default directory. Simply click Next through the wizard. I have already installed it, so I will skip ahead to the next phase. Now, we must configure our system environment variables. Open your Windows search bar and type environment variables. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. Under the Advanced tab, click the Environment Variables button. We need to add a new system variable here. You will create a variable for the toolchain and browse to the exact directory where it was installed. When selecting the path, make sure you choose the parent directory itself, not any specific files inside it. Once the Unreal Toolchain directory path is confirmed, click OK to save everything. The configuration is now complete. To ensure these environment variables are recognized by the system, you must restart your computer right now. I have already restarted my machine. Now let us launch Unreal Engine again to verify our setup. I am opening the same project from earlier. We will give the editor a moment to fully initialize and load the assets. The project is loaded. Now let's prepare it for the Linux build. Since this project is meant for pixel streaming, I am making sure the streaming plugins are enabled before proceeding. Now head up to the platform's drop-down menu, select Linux and click on Package Project. A window will pop up asking for a destination. I will create a new folder here specifically for the Linux build. The packaging process has officially started without any missing binary errors. The initial problem is solved. We can open the output log to monitor the progress. As you can see, it is compiling the shaders and building the code. The process has finished and the packaging was successful. Let us navigate to the output folder to inspect it. Here inside the folder, you will find all the compiled Linux files. Everything we need to run this application on a Linux server has been successfully generated and structured. If you look closely at the directory contents, you will notice that the main executable and all the associated project content folders are properly compiled. This confirms that our cross-compilation toolchain and environment variables are functioning perfectly together. The next major step in our deployment pipeline is to take these newly compiled files and upload them to the Eagle 3D streaming control panel. By leveraging this platform, we can host our Linux build directly in the cloud. This allows us to stream the application to users seamlessly, completely bypassing the need for heavier Windows Server infrastructure. Because we are deploying a native Linux build, the system will utilize standard Linux instances under the hood. These instances are remarkably efficient for server-side environments, which ultimately helps in optimizing overall resource consumption and significantly reducing streaming latency for your end users. Once the upload process is entirely complete, the Eagle streaming platform will automatically parse the uploaded Linux build. From there, you will be able to manage your application configurations exactly the same way you always do with standard Windows packages. While configuring your newly uploaded application on the dashboard, Just make sure that you select the appropriate Linux environment settings. This guarantees that the cloud container provisions all the correct runtime dependencies required by Unreal Engine to execute your project flawlessly. Deploying Linux builds for pixel streaming is rapidly becoming the industry standard. As you have seen today, the initial setup process is quite straightforward once you have the toolchain and environment variables properly configured on your machine. One extremely important tip to remember is to always keep your cross-compilation toolchain updated. Whenever you migrate your Unreal project to a newer engine version, you must download the matching toolchain from Epic Games to avoid any unexpected compatibility issues during packaging. It is also a highly recommended practice to test your built applications locally on a Linux machine or virtual environment before uploading them to the cloud. This helps catch any missing plugins or uncompiled assets early in the deployment cycle. I highly encourage you to thoroughly read through the official Epic Games documentation. There you can find advanced Linux configuration options and server-side optimizations that might specifically benefit your project's unique architecture and performance requirements. If you ever encounter errors during the packaging phase in the future, your output log will always be your best troubleshooting resource. It will quickly point out any missing SDKs, incorrect paths, or minor typos in your system environment variables. That covers the entire process of configuring, troubleshooting, and packaging a Linux build in Unreal Engine. Thank you so much for watching.